Detroit, let me tell you about the latest craze that's hitting Detroit. These bath salts. Oh, they are all natural. Honey, these the best thing that you ever want to tell you what they're good for. You can put them on your feet to clean the bottom of your feet, make them soft. You can drop some in your bubble bath. You can use them in your shower. Honey, they are awesome. I mean, they come in all different scents. You never smell nothing like it. Now, let me just show you something. Now, here's a little of the texture. Now, I know you might have tried some different bath salts, but this texture here, when you wet it, it just melts right down. So, Detroit, if you don't know, you better find out. If you want to get clean and smell good, you better get these bath salts. When you get your bag and you open your bag, it's going to smell the whole house up till it's gone. So come on down and get your bath salts. You better order today while the supplies last.